Chapter 1, Living and Non-Living Things. Learning Objectives. Living things, non-living things, features of living things, interdependence of plants and animals. We can see different things at home, in the park, on the road, in the classroom, etc. Some things like buildings, malls, cars, etc. are made by human beings. These things are called man-made things. Some things like sun, star, moon, rocks, mountains, animals and plants are not made by human beings. We get these things from the nature. These things are called natural things. Some of these things are living things and some are non-living things. Let us learn more about them. Living things. The things that have life are called living things. For example, human beings, plants, animals, insects, birds, etc. Features of living things. Living things need food. All living things like human beings, plants, and animals need food to live and grow. Some animals eat plants only, like cows, deer, elephants, horses, etc. Some animals eat only the flesh of other small animals like lions, tigers, wolves, etc. There are some animals that feed on both plant and animals like crows, bear, dog, etc. Animals do not make their own food. They get their food from plants or other animals. Human beings also depend on plants and animals for their food. But green plants make their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Some plants also get their food from dead plants or animals. Living things breathe. All living things breathe. They cannot live without air. They have special organs to breathe. Human beings and many animals have lungs to breathe. A fish breathes through its gills. Frogs breathe through both their skin and lungs. Plants breathe through small openings on their leaves called stomata. Did you know whales and dolphins breathe through a blowhole located on the top of their heads? They do not have gills. Living things grow. All living things grow. A seed grows into a plant called a seedling. These seedlings grow into big trees. A puppy grows into a dog. A chick grows into a hen. A human baby grows to become an adult. All living things take birth, grow, and die. This is called a life cycle. Every living being has a fixed lifespan. Living things move. All living things show movement but differ in the type of movements they show. Animals can move from one place to another. Animals like dogs, cats, lions, etc. walk with the help of their legs. Fishes move using their fins and tails. Birds and insects fly using their wings. Humans move using their hands and legs. Plants are fixed in the soil and cannot move from their place. However, some parts of the plant can move. The touchwood knot mimosa closes its leaves when touched. Sunflowers turn their face towards the sun. Living things reproduce. You might have seen the babies of many animals around you, like tadpoles, kittens, calves, puppies, chicks, etc. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or by directly giving birth to young ones. Birds, fishes, and frogs lay eggs. The young ones come out of the eggs. Some animals give birth to younger ones like dogs, cat, lion, etc. Most of the plants grow from seeds. Human beings also give birth to younger ones. Thus, we can see that all living beings reproduce. Living things feel. Living things can respond to the changes in the surroundings. What happens when we fall and hurt ourselves? We feel pain. We laugh when we are happy. We cry when we are sad. All living things can feel. Plants grow towards sunlight. Animals too can feel hurt and pain. For example, a dog hangs out its tongue when it feels hot. Non-living things. All those things which have no life are called non-living things. Natural things can be living as well as non-living, but man-made things are always non-living. Plants and animals are natural living things, whereas soil, rock, mountains, etc. are natural non-living things. Man made things like table, chair, etc. are all non living things. Non living things do not show any features of the living things. Difference between living and non living things. Living things, non living things. Living things need food. Non living things do not need food. Living things breathe. Non living things do not breathe. Living things grow. Non living things do not grow. Living things reproduce. Non living things do not reproduce. Living things move on their own. Non living things do not move on their own. Living things feel. Non living things do not feel. Interdependence of plants and animals. Plants and animals are interdependent. They depend on each other for many things. Plants give oxygen for animals to breathe in. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide that is used by plants for making their food during photosynthesis. Animals help plants in their seed dispersal. Honeybees suck nectar from the flowers and help the flowers to produce fruits and seeds. Animals depend on plants for food directly or indirectly. Difference between plants and animals. Plants, animals. Plants do not move from one place to another. Animals can move from one place to another. Plants make their own food. Animals do not make their own food. They depend on the plants for food. Plants breathe through the openings on their leaves called stomata. Animals breathe through organs like gills, lungs, air holes, and moist skin. Plants do not have sense organs. Animals have sense organs. Key words: tadpole, a baby frog; seedling, young plant that grows out of a seed; calf, baby of a cow; stomata, small openings on the leaves for breathing. Chapter Roundup. All living things have life. Plants, animals, and human beings are living things. Non living things have no life. Man made or natural things like mountains, rocks, and soil are non living things. Living things need food, breathe, move, feel, and reproduce. Non living things do not show the feature of living things. Plants make their own food. Animals depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. Plants and animals are interdependent.